Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve iNote eDownload failure on Microsoft Edge browser. So to resolve this problem you can try this method. Click on Start, search CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. So there are some command I will give in description. So copy one by one. So this is the first command, copy and paste on CMD. Press enter. If this command not work, so try second command, this one, and if this method not work, so try this third command. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.